Jai Bharat. Welcome everyone to Advait Achievers. In our previous video, we finished discussing the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and in this segment, we are going to discuss the cyclic photophosphorylation, right? Bacha party, previously we have already discussed why we are calling it photophosphorylation, right? Again, because we are going to phosphorylate ADP with an organic phosphate to form ATP, and it is going to take place in presence of light. So we are calling it photophosphorylation. Why it is called cyclic? That is what we are going to take a look at. Now, in case of cyclic photophosphorylation, right, only PS1 is going to participate. Non-cyclic में हमने देखा था PS2 and then the electrons were passing on to PS1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे it is only PS1 which is going to participate. So we very well know that our reaction center is going to have chlorophyll A, right, and it will have the surrounding those accessory pigments. So we are creating our photosystem, right? And this photosystem, again I am repeating, it is going to be PS1, or we are calling it P700. This is going to absorb a light of the wavelength 700 nanometers, right? So when this is going to absorb the light, right, all of the energy that will be directed towards chlorophyll A molecule, and it will in turn release, by getting excited, a pair of electrons. This pair of electrons will be accepted by a primary electron acceptor, and again from here it will be passed on to an electron transport chain. In the previous segment we had written all the full forms of the electron acceptors, right? So we are going to show it, and it is going to pass through to 4 electron acceptors. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. Right? So the first, from where? The first thing, first electron acceptor over here, from primary electron acceptor, the pair of electrons are going to be passed on to ferredoxin, right? So you can say that the 2 electrons have been passed on to ferredoxin. From ferredoxin, it is sent to PQ, that is plastoquinone, right? From plastoquinone, it is sent to cytochrome. In turn, of course, we have to show here the 2 electrons, clear? And from cytochrome, it is passed on to plastocyanin, so PC. Right? FD stands for ferredoxin, PQ is plastoquinone, CY is cytochrome, and PC is plastocyanin. Now at which stage is energy being formed? That is ADP is undergoing phosphorylation. That is when it moves from ferredoxin to plastoquinone. At that time, at this point, you can see that ADP is phosphorylated to form ATP, right? So this is the first point at which ATP is formed, right? Another form is at this last step, that is when the electron is moving from cytochrome to plastocyanin. Even at that time, you can see that ADP is phosphorylated to form ATP. Right? So at two places we are forming the ATP molecules, and in turn when the plastocyanin receives these electrons, they are further then reversed back. Means they are sent back towards PS1. Right? They are sent back towards this PS1, and hence we are calling it as साइक्लिक. यहीं से निकला, घूम फिर के वापस वहीं आ रहा है. राइट? सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन. पर यहाँ पे हमें एक चीज याद रखना है कि इस प्रोसेस में क्या क्या हुआ है. ये स्टेप्स आप समझ गए हो, पर ये चीजें याद रखो कि इसमें ओनली PS1 इज इन्वॉल्व्ड. राइट? जबकि नॉन साइक्लिक में क्या था, दोनों थी, फर्स्ट PS2 एंड देन PS1. सो रिमेंबर, only PS1 is involved. One thing, this was one thing. Then secondly, what else is happening? There is no photolysis of water. नॉन साइक्लिक में क्या था, इलेक्ट्रॉन का लॉस हो रहा था PS2 में से, तो उसको रिप्लेस करने के लिए फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर जो होता था, उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वो लॉस को कॉम्पनसेट कर दिया करते थे. करेक्ट? यहाँ पे तो वो गुंजाइश ही नहीं है, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वापस अपने ही फोटो सिस्टम में लौट रहे हैं. करेक्ट? सो नो फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर. क्लियर? देन व्हाट एल्स? ओनली ATP इज सिंथेसाइज. देखो यहाँ पे कहीं पे हमने NADPH2 नहीं बनाया. करेक्ट? सो ओनली ATP इज synthesized. Right? There is no reducing power formed. So we can add on to this that no reducing power. This is clear? Right? And where does this take place? It takes place in the stroma lamellae. Stroma lamellae. आगे जब हम फोटो सिस्टम्स डिस्कस कर रहे थे, तब हमने एक बात शेयर की थी कि जो थाइलाकॉइड का मेम्ब्रेन है, हाँ, उसके अंदर दोनों फोटो सिस्टम्स है, PS1 एंड PS2 दोनों. जबकि स्ट्रोमा लैमेली जो है, उसके अंदर सिर्फ का क्या है, PS1 सिर्फ है उधर. तो ये जो साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन है, ये स्ट्रोमा लैमेली में होता है. और इसका मेजर ये होने की क्या ज़रूरत है कि ये ज़्यादा ये ATP सिंथेसाइज कर पाता है. राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट we have understood in the process of cyclic photophosphorylation. I hope all of you are very much clear with this process. Thank you. Jai Bharat.